Hi viewers, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to show how to create pivot tables. Before going this video, kindly subscribe my channel and press bell icon. Here first of all I'm just opening my sample XLS file. Then from here just select any one of the value or column. Then go to Insert tab in the Excel file. Then click on pivot table. Yeah, from here you can see the range, select range from 2 to from B column to G column. Then suppose if you want to use existing worksheet or if you want to create a pivot table in new sheet, you can select the sheet. Here I'm selecting new worksheet. Just click on OK. Okay. Now you can see the field list here. Serial number, name, column, location, transaction amount, state and country. Okay. So I'm just selecting this name column and drag and drop to in the row section. Then I'm selecting a transaction amount and just drag and drop to the value column. Yeah, here you can see for the SAM data, you can see some of transaction amount. Example, if you go to sheet 1, if you filter SAM, yeah, here you can see some set of transaction amount. You can see the sum of transaction amount. Yeah, here you can see 40,000 for $4. Okay, same thing you can see here. Sorry, you can see $60,010. You can see same thing here, $60,010. Yeah, same like that for other values also you can see it here. This is the sample pivot table. Suppose if you want to add some more column, right, just select and drag it here. You can see the count of location. Also here we have option to change it. Just select the drop down in the values or column. You can see the list of calculation type, sum or count or average, whichever you want, you can select it. Then click OK. Yeah, for the transaction column, I have selected a sum. For the location, I have given a count. So you can see sum of transaction amount. For the location, you can see count of location. Okay. Suppose if you want to delete it, right, just select that and remove field, or else just select and drag to outside of the field list. It will delete automatically. Okay. This is the sample record to create a pivot table. Also here we have option for the pivot chat. I will show you. Just click on pivot chat in the insert tab. Here you can see like whether a pie or bar or which one you want, which chat you want, you can select it here. Just click OK. Okay, here you can see chat for the transaction amount for the particular user. Okay, I think this video will be useful. Before closing this video, kindly give a like to support us. Thanks for watching.